Fury and anger against Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro. He's been facing sharp criticism for downplaying the coronavirus, and the president has lashed back.
Nós temos que enfrentar os nossos problemas.
Enough fussing and whining. How much longer will the crying go on? We have to face the problems.
Temos que enfrentar os problemas.
This week, Brazil recorded the highest number of deaths in a single day for 2 consecutive days, with nearly 2,000 deaths each day. Intensive care units are almost full in many areas, and the belated vaccination program has been hit by shortages.
We've reached a grave moment of the pandemic. The coronavirus variants are hitting us aggressively.
In response, the second most crowded city, Rio de Janeiro, has declared a week-long curfew. The government says it's reached an agreement with Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson to deliver another 140 million doses of vaccine by the end of May. The country remains the second worst hit after the United States. While in neighboring Peru, the first batch of 50,000 Pfizer vaccines arrived in the capital. It started its vaccination program with the Chinese Sinopharm vaccine, with nearly 300,000 doses administered. The country has been reporting nearly 6,000 new cases each day and more than 1.3 million infections since the pandemic began. In the Caribbean, Havana started recruiting around 44,000 volunteers to take part in the late stage of a domestically produced vaccine, Soberana 2. Should it succeed, it will be the first vaccine produced in Latin America.
We are getting closer to the moment of carrying out a massive vaccination of the population.
The country is known for its health tourism, and neighboring countries like Mexico, Venezuela and Jamaica have already said they would buy the vaccine if approved. Mexico has only vaccinated 1% of its population, and nearly 200,000 people have died. There are now more than 2 million confirmed cases, but the government says the real numbers are significantly higher. And even as vaccines appear to offer hope a year into the pandemic, much of Latin America is struggling to slow the spread. Muttala Perdoan, TRT World.